Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Majesty. Today I am going to do a half and half makeup look. So I'm going to do a very natural makeup look on one side of my face and a very glam makeup look on the other side of my face. So without any further ado, let's get started. So on the natural side, I'm going to apply the Pond's White Beauty Instant Tone Up Milk Cream. Now I am going to apply eyeliner, Lakme Iconic Kajal. Curl my lashes and apply mascara. And I'm going to brush my eyebrows a bit. I'm not going to make it dark, but basically fill in the gaps. So for blush, I'm going to use Estee Lauder Pure Color Blush. And lastly, I'm just gonna apply lipstick on this side. So this side is done. This is all natural, toned up skin. Now we're gonna do the glamorous side. So first of all, I'm going to use the Nika K New York 24K Gold Primer. I'm going to apply the LA Girl Pro Coverage Foundation. Now I'm going to set everything using the Technique Color Correcting Loose Powder. Now I am going to contour and I'm going to use this shade. When you contour, remember to suck in your cheeks. Now we are going to do the eyes. Now that we're done with the liner, and we're going to apply the same mascara on this side. Now I'm going to dust out all the powders, blend it face. Now I'm going to apply blush, and this is the same blush I have used on the other side of my cheeks. I'm going to highlight. Now I'm going to apply lashes and I'll be right back. And we're almost done. Lastly, I'm going to apply my lipstick. this is the finished half and half makeup look, and as you guys can see, this side looks natural, and this is like perfect for office meetings, quick touch up before you need to hurry somewhere. And this side is like perfect and suitable for wedding, festivals, or you just wanna hang out with your friends, getting all glammed up. This side is more time consuming and this side is not. So I hope you guys liked my half and half makeup tutorial. Be sure to leave a thumbs up on this video, comment down below and let me know how you guys like it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Majesty, and don't also forget to turn on the notification bell so you get notified each and every time I upload. Bye guys, I love you.